I'm totally chill, or I will be someday. 'Cause I'm so near the top, there's so many mountains to climb. There are plans to be planned, drills to be drilled, 'cause this dream that I dreamed is becoming fulfilled. And I plan to enjoy it, but right now I don't have the time. Fading on Campbell, an average teenager, almost grown. Close up on average, grades from the average life she's known. Now zoom in the lens on the rest of her friends as she stays alone, doing the work, getting it right. 'Cause I know we'll have to be practically perfect, so I'll go above and beyond and pull through. This I can do. All that I'm asking is one perfect moment in time. I'm 17, there are so many things that I can't control. If I start to freak or feel weak, I focus on just one goal. Turn down the panic, attack this routine like it owns my soul. Turn up the music so loud that it swallows us whole. And then there we are, we burn like a star. We're safe inside the world we know. Then suddenly I'm in prep for the climb, and here I go, high in the air. There's a moment just before you start to fall. Live in that one moment. I know that if I can just stick the landing, then I know that somehow my life will be fine. So I'll go through the rest of my life understanding what it feels like to shine. The future's full of mysteries, so please let this be mine. My one perfect moment in time.
Well done, Olivia. Louise, what did you think of Olivia's performance?
Olivia, first off, you look absolutely stunning, so well done for dressing for the occasion. If I'm being honest, I think that was the wrong song choice for you. I think your song choice last week was better, but I still think you've got more to give with your voice. You've got a lovely range this day quite naturally, but that song, obviously it was a character song, so you had the American accent in places, and that automatically makes you a little bit nasal when you're going American and being a character. But what we want to see is Livia. If you're playing a character, that's fine, but put your own stamp on it. We don't want to see a character, we want to see you and what you represent as an artist, as yourself. So I think, you know, use your range to your advantage, but just work on choosing a better song for you and show us who you are as an artist rather than just being a character. But it was a lovely performance, well done, babe.
Kelly, what did you think?
I agree. I don't think the song really showed off much of your potential. We kind of lost the tone because, like Louise said, it was quite nasal in places. But on the flip side, it showed off that you've got this lovely clean tone to your voice. And we picked up on your diction, which was great. But in future, I would pick a song that maybe shows off more of what you want to do, more of what you want to convey. Because I'm quite confused as to what route you want to go down. after that performance. It wasn't a bad performance. I think I want to see something that tells me who you are in future and shows off everything that you can do. But apart from that, it was a nice performance. Well done.
Yeah, Livia, I think, I mean, the girls are right. I mean, the song definitely wasn't suited to you. Everyone has different styles and different techniques. Some people like to challenge themselves and do different things, but some people do have a tone that may only work for certain types of songs. So I applaud you for trying this song or wanting to show us this, but it's definitely not something that suits your voice in particular, because there was parts of that weren't spot on vocally, and like, I don't think it's necessarily because you haven't learned the song yet properly or anything like that. It looked like you knew the song off by heart. I think it just generally wasn't the right song for your voice. So just be aware of that. Now, obviously, you were going to want advice from us to what to do next, because that's what you want to learn. So what I would advise is try, personally me, I would stay in like the pop ballads and things like that. That's where I would try and stay a bit. It doesn't mean you can't challenge yourself, because you could still challenge yourself, but I think that's where, after last week on the audition, I think that's where I feel your voice sits best. But no, you know, well done for showing us something different and taking a risk, so well done.